Hello OnCourse users. Today I'm going to show you how the clipboard feature works in OnCourse. In the old version, you could use copy and paste on the keyboard and paste that into Excel or a Word document or into an email. Because of the limitations of how a browser works, we can't quite do the same thing, but I'll show you what we have done and you'll see that it's even more powerful. So what we're looking at here is a list of contacts. I have two of them highlighted. And I'll go to the Share menu item at the bottom, choose whichever of the Excel exports that I want to get the data out, and then just click on Copy to Clipboard. That's it. Now, when I come across into a Word document like this, I can paste that data, and you can see it there. Now remember, what you're seeing is not the lists and columns that we had in the list view, because they can be reordered and turn them on or off. So what you're seeing here is what you've defined in that CSV export. Now perhaps that's too much data and you want to simplify it. We can do that. So let's come across to automation. You'll see a section in automation called Export Templates, and we'll go down and find the contact CSV export. And there it is. So you'll see here are all of the columns that we have exported. Let's reduce it. Now we can't edit this one because it's one of the built-in ones, but by clicking this icon at the top right, we can now create a new automation, a new export, and give it a new code. So let's just call it contact clipboard, like so. We'll save it. We'll also change the name so it'll appear in the export and look a bit different to the others. And let's just get rid of all of this. Too much information, we don't need all of that. I don't think we even need a middle name. So you'll see now what it will do is export to CSV just those three fields. I'll save that, come back into this contact view, and I'll hit refresh to make sure we get fresh data. Let's highlight a couple of people, and you'll see now that we have contact clipboard as an option. So copy to clipboard, and let's see what happens. And that's it. So you'll see how we've simplified it. We could have also changed date formats or done really anything you can do in a programming environment to make the data come out in a different way. That's quite useful if you're pasting into Excel, but let's say you want to have a little snippet that you want to easily paste into an email. I'll show you how that's done. So we come back here to the clipboard export. Now, instead of it being a CSV export, let's just make it text. So here, instead of CSV, we're going to have a result. You'll see this on the right-hand side. Result is this output stream. And here, we're going to change this. So the result will just be the contact name. We can do it like this. Like so. Let's save that. And we'll come back here. We'll highlight just a single record this time. We'll share that with the clipboard and come into here and we'll paste it. And you see that we've created a completely formatted piece of text directly to the clipboard. That text could be anything you wanted. If it came from the enrollment window, it could contain enrollment, the student data, and course data, and anything else, perhaps a timetable, ready for you to paste into an email. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that today. Thanks.